Welcome to our channel How to Guide. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to victoriasecret.com, which is the official website of Victoria's Secret. And over here, you need to purchase something in order to redeem your card. Once you purchase something during the time of checkout, you can redeem your card. So let me just buy something random over here. So I'm going to buy this, but you can buy anything you want, right? Click on add to bag, and once you click on add to bag, click on checkout. And over here, if you have an account, you can log into it. If you don't, just click on checkout over here, continue to checkout, and then enter your name over here and your last name. Make sure you fill up this form correctly. All right, so I'll meet you on the next step after filling this up. And once you're over here on the payment page, you can see use gift card over here. Click on it and enter your gift card's number and your gift card's pin and click on apply, and your gift card should be loaded over here. Once it's loaded, scroll a bit down, click on continue to order review, and basically your gift card will be used to purchase whatever thing you have ordered. All right, so that's how we guys can redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and bye bye.